हेलो। नहीं सर, बैठा हूँ ऊपर, लैब में बैठा था। पढ़ रहा था, ये पीपीटी बना रहा था। ये जो करेक्शन दिए थे उनको ऐड कर रहा था। आप नीचे रेस्ट निकलो तो
તમે બેઠા છું વાંધો નહીં, કંઈ કામ નથી કરવું.
मैं नीचे जरूर कर सकता
બેસવા દેશે ને ગયા એટલો કે
नहीं, नो कर सकता।
બેઠો છો તમે જાઓ.
निकलो એટલે ફોન કરજો. ચલો
બાય બાય. contract is the keyword, and registration with money is the contract name. Under that we have created struct data type. Its name is reg entry. Name is defined as a string. Address is defined as user address. Address is one of the data type of Solidity, which can use to store the sender's wallet address, like this one. So for any transaction performed on the deployed platform, it will understand that this is the wallet address, and this is integer amount. One rig entry is one of the derived variable of struct is created and as entries, and the keyword is used public to make button also. Same way for address public finance manager. Now constructor is called public finance manager is equal to MSC, is kind of the attribute provided by the Solidity function, which contains the attribute values like sender's address, amount of the transaction, and now one function is created, new registration. Before that we have done entries created, finance manager is created, constructor created, and the state as finance manager is equal to message.sender. Now for taking new registration, we have created the function named new registration public keyword. It is kind of attribute payable. Inside that, require is kind of for the purpose of checking the condition that sender who has entered for the registration and the transaction amount. In this contract we have set the minimum lottery registration fee as a 0.1 ether. So if the user or customer enters the less than 0.1 ether, so it will be prompt that your transaction is failed or something like that. So here we have set as not sent enough ether. Okay. Require keyword inside brackets message transaction dot value is equal to the amount which is sent by the sender is greater than or equal to 0.1. This is the amount and this is the coin or currency, ether. For example, we have created P21, so it can be there. Okay, this kind of semicolon. Now we are check that condition. If it is true, then it will go for the next line. Entries dot push. It will enter the new customer into the lottery list. Entry dot push rig entry name is equal to underscore name. Name we will take the customer's name and store into the our struct data type. and user address is equal to message dot sender, and amount is equal to message dot value. New registration done. Okay, now function get balance, it will return the total fund received till the last transaction. Public, here we have specified another keyword view. It is for the new registration we need to pay some gas fee. It is and gas fee is charged from the ether. So here earlier I have received 3 ether in total, and when I have performed my deployment of new coin P21, so it charged me some of the little gas fee around 0.008281 ether for performing that transaction on blockchain, on actual blockchain. So so when any transaction is required to be performed on the actual blockchain, it will charge as a gas fee. It is, though it is little, but it charges gas fee. And some of the functions which do not require to perform any computation or updatation to the blockchain, here we just need to get the balance, total fund we have received. So we have used the keyword view. It will return the total fund received till the last transaction, and public keyword is for the button from which we are here getting in the deployment kind of. Now function withdraw fund, fund is received. Now we want the lottery amounts to be received to the finance manager. We have declared the finance manager. Payable is one of the method. Payable to whom? To finance manager. Dot transfer to how much amount. Get balance method is called. It will return the amount. Okay. Now the code is ready. Let's compile. Check the compiler. As we have stated 0.6.3, we will use 0.6.3. Language Solidity. Compile. Compilation done. Great. Now we'll delete the previous deployments. Okay. Java virtual machine. These are the 5 accounts given for testing purpose. Deploy. Now new registration, specifying the name, players. To perform this transaction, here we will going to specify the ether amount. For example, we are going to pay 2 ether. From this we will create select ether. Okay, 2 ether selected, name is given. Okay, click new registration. Transaction performed successfully. So here we got the green mark. Now we'll call the method get balance. It will return the amount received, $2, 2 ether. Okay, and these are the last decimal points which is selected by the ether.